You know that we can't have a session without bringing up AI, of course. I was going to ask you where Schneider is in that journey and where have you started those conversations already?
I think AI is going to make or break companies over the next decade, which is also ties back into why it's so important to modernize your sales force now, right? Because if you don't have a modern sales force with a strong data structure in place, your ability to leverage AI is limited. We want to solve customers' problems and their outcomes. And so to do that, we need to equip our sales makers with insights. We need to do that quickly. We need to put them at their fingertips. And too often, I think employers forget that an employee-employer relationship really needs to be mutually beneficial. Having the right technology to make the sales force feel successful, feel supported, and really be happy there creates this competitive environment, right? Know the markets, have the good customer data, know the share of wallet, make sure you're doing good platforming, and making those smart decisions around where to deploy your next dollar is super, super important. Because, you know, if you're going to the wrong customers, meaning your propensity to win is low, or you're pitching a value prop that's off target, those cycles are deadly to an organization in terms of productivity loss, and it's a big problem. You know, to reduce that, the first thing you need to do is really just connect your systems through digital, right? And the idea is that when you create connected infrastructure, the infrastructure becomes smarter, and then you can actually pinpoint exactly where the waste is. And we like to say this is making the invisible visible, right? If you don't know where you're wasting, you don't know how to solve the problem. Like most companies, you know, the way that you create value and bring this to life is through your experience and engagements with your clients, with your sales force and your technical sales force, right? And so the more time that your people, your front office is with customers, the more impact you're having, and that's why modernizing is so important, and that's where the impact comes from.